Hello guys, welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how we made this Converse Chuck Taylor from this one to this. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, so we are back to using our Collonil product. We are loving the Collonil, especially with our canvas materials. So as you can see, the effect of Collonil after application. This Converse has really gone to an off-white saturation right now. Good that we have Collonil. It will bring back the whiteness of the shoe. So I will teach you how I did it guys. So basically for this video, we're just gonna cover all the other parts that doesn't need to be applied on, and we'll apply Collonil on this shoe. Hello guys, and we are done. You can see shoe is all white now, and we will just leave this to dry and we are good to go. So guys, the Collonil is actually a very good product, especially if you're applying it on canvas like this one. It's a great DIY solution for yellowing shoes. And we have also applied this Collonil White to an ADIDAS Superstar slip-on that is very hard to clean. So I'll link the description down below. So this is a very good DIY sneaker white application guys, and also it covers a lot of shoes. We have actually done almost around 3 to 4 pairs, and this is still a lot of liquid inside. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and very easy whitening application for today, and I'll see you guys soon on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye.